Alright, so this video probably gonna be a little bit shorter than the usual, but we did get some stuff in and I wanted to share it with you guys. So let me get this turned around or opened up, set down, however you want to say it, call it. We're gonna go from right there. So got a package from Amazon here. You know, a handy dandy razor blade. Don't try this at home, kids. Razor blades are sharp. Let's see what we got in the package. Alright, so in this package here, we have a roll. I thought this was supposed to be 12 gauge. So it's 100 feet, 14 gauge. I'm gonna have to go back and check the listing because I'm pretty sure it's supposed to be 12 gauge. I could be wrong. I could have put the wrong thing in there, but 14 gauge speaker wire, 100 feet, so we can wire up car audio in all the vehicles. We also have these 15 amp terminal strips, as you can see there. So they can be used to distribute either power. I don't know. Why did I buy these? I'm trying to remember. I don't know. I know it can be used for grounds. It can also be used for power. Now I'm trying to remember why I bought them. I don't remember. But we got those in. We also, if you've been using your Blues Clues, we got some speakers here. These are 6.5 inch 4 ohm mid-range drivers. I got 4 of them, but I'm only gonna open up one for the purpose of this video because they all are identical. So cut that open there. I would think that they would, like, I don't know, put them in another box that doesn't say what it is. But like, what if somebody, like, what if the UPS dude just seen it? Was like, yo, them some nice speakers. I want them speakers for myself. And then he just take my shit. It ain't like he had to guess what was in it. So included is a cutting template. Then you got the Rockville cardboard there. These came at the recommendation of my bro Steve Davis. So shout out to Steve. Take one out the plastic here. I also did like some research or whatnot, and these Rockvilles did come up in like the who's who of these 6.5. So we got those there, as you can see. 200 watts. So, like I said, we got 4 of them. Those are some beefy little things, man. I'm not gonna lie to you. See that? Them things is beefy. I don't really have nothing to compare it to at the moment, but yeah. That's I could tell, like, right off the gate from the weight of it that it wasn't what you probably used to. So got 4 of those. Where they're gonna be going, I don't know yet, but stay tuned and we'll find out together when I make a decision. Put that all back there in the box. And I think that's pretty much all I got for y'all today. Hold on, let me check. See, the thing is, I be having stuff everywhere. Okay, so that's for something else. These are LED headlights. LED headlights for, yeah, oh yeah. So these are the LED headlights for the photo box Chevy. Forgot I had those. We do gotta finish putting that back together. This is, I don't know what this is. It came from eBay. Alarm system push button. Let's see. I think this is what. So this right here is a engine start stop push button, as you can see there. I think I was going to put this on something, but changed my mind. Yeah, so you got the button there. Once you get it all hooked up, you know, push the button. Push the start. It's gonna have a little transmitter you gotta wire up. This one is actually, it looks like a simplified version of what you call it. It looks like a simplified version of a, what's that shit? Of like the alarm system that we just put on the box Chevy, because this pretty much is going off into your the main ignition harness. So trying to see, RFID push button. Yeah, so I don't know if I'm gonna end up using it still. I may do a giveaway for it. Let me know if y'all want to do a giveaway. Yeah, looking at the directions here. Yellow, blue, white wire, ground, the power. Yeah. So yeah, all pretty simple stuff. Pretty simple stuff. So, like I said, I don't know that I'll use it because I got the push button on here. I may have something coming up for one of the other cars. The Cutlass is a true push button. And I think I was gonna use it for the Cutlass, but then I decided to just go with the good old actual button. This does add a little bit of security to that because you have to have the RFID chip thing there. But we do have some anti-theft methods in place to make sure that it doesn't get into the wrong hands. So, but yeah, I think that is it now. So appreciate y'all tapping in, man. It's your boy LSL Rock 254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make your strength. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely in productivity or procrastination. And remember that the hustle don't stop, the grind don't stop. Gone.